Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In our last video, you saw that we unboxed the Bugaboo Donkey 5 twin travel system bundle. Today we'll be showing you how to put together the Donkey 5 twin travel system bundle, start to finish. Let's go. All right, first step, let's do the back wheels, okay? So you have one back wheel here. Let's put the back wheel in, it'll click into place. Perfect. Now let's put the other back wheel in. It will click into place just like that. And let's put the brakes on this. So put the brake on. Perfect. And then let's put the front wheels. So put this front wheel in. Clicks into place. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. And then let's get this wheel into place. All right. Now let's stick these back here. Let's put our front brakes on. All right. Now, since we are going to do the double configuration, the twin configuration, let's expand it. So let's open this down here, this white clip. We'll open this white clip down here, and then we'll open this white clip up here. And I just learned that you have to press this button right here, this white button, if you want to expand it, because if you don't, it won't go. If you press it, then you can pull it right apart and it'll go. So then we clip in the front, clip in the back, and clip on top. Perfect. Now this is ready to go. So now that we put the front and back wheels on, we've expanded it to the double configuration. Let's put the underneath basket on. So we struggled a little bit at first, but let's start with these buttons over here, these clips. We're gonna go over the center bar and through these little loops that we got. So we're gonna put that through this little cloth loop. And come on, baby. So we got that through. We're gonna twist it over on itself, and we're gonna clip that, and we're gonna Velcro it. Next,
Perfect.
Let's do the other side.
So this one, I can go ahead and do it. Goes through the loop. Fold it. And clip it.
You know what I just realized? I don't know if the underneath basket works quite as well with the double configuration, but we're gonna make it work. You got enough cloth over there?
Yes.
All right, so we'll Velcro that.
It looks like I have enough.
Velcro the sides and Velcro the bottom. So now the stroller is pretty much complete.
And the basket has a little pocket in here.
Very nice. Now what we need to do is get the bassinets. So I'm going to show you how to build one of the bassinets from start to finish. Alrighty, let's do this. I'm going to teach you guys how to put one of these together. So the first step is we're going to grab our bassinet fabric. Okay, we're going to grab our bassinet fabric, and put this frame to the side. We're going to take out the cushion. It's got a little thing on it. We're going to take this off, and then we're going to put this in. And if you want to show the people, it's got wood inside of it, and it's got these little hard little arms and one on the bottom. So what you do here is you're going to push these down and Velcro them here to give the bassinet some shape.
Some structure.
Yep.
We have the support at the bottom as well. It's a little tricky because
Push it down.
it's tight.
There we go.
Okay.
So now that we've given the bassinet a little bit of shape, I'm going to put this cushion in. It's got a little foot mark for the bottom. So you know the top is the top because it's got these two bars up here versus two bars up here. Where's the bottom? Just kidding. All right. So now let's put the bassinet fabric on the frame. The bottom is going to be the one that's got the more suede feel, and the top is going to be the one with this white plastic. So let's do this. So the easiest way to do this is to stick the bassinet through and start Velcroing it.
Oh, okay.
So let's start with the Velcro. I'm gonna do the top.
Why did you put it to this side?
Top. And then we're gonna do the sides. And there's about 14 Velcro straps you have in all. First, when I got this, I didn't really like that it was all Velcro, but you know, it's not too bad of a design. 14 Velcro straps, it is pretty secure. Got that in. Next, let's do the little foot cover for this little bassinet. So the way you do this little foot cover is you have to zip it into place. There's a zipper here, and it zips onto the fabric of the bassinet. So let's zip it in, and let's see what happens. All right. Oh, zip it in like this. Here we go. Here we go. It's a little difficult. Very nice. That's all zipped in. Fold that down. And voila. We got 2 pieces of Velcro up here. We'll Velcro them in. And we are almost complete, okay? The last thing we need is the sun canopy. So it's a little tedious to build, but I will build it as fast as I can. Do you want to take out the carry handle? Okay, here we go. Sun canopy. It comes with the sun canopy fabric, okay? 3 sun canopy wires, and then 2 little sun canopy handles. So let's begin. So the first step is there's gonna be 3 holes in here, right? There's gonna be 1 here, all right, where my finger is. There's gonna be another here, and then 1 hidden one down here at the bottom. So I'll start with the one.
And I can kind of hold it up so they can see.
Perfect. I'll start with the one at the bottom, and you just push it right on through, and it'll pop out on the other side. There we go. Pops out. Now let's do the middle one. I can't reach. Let's do the middle one.
We need to turn on the AC.
It's hot in here. All right, let's get the middle one pushed through. That is pushed all the way through. And now the top one pushed through. So now we have the middle, the bottom, the top pushed through. And now let's kind of put these closer together. Let's push them all the way through on one of the sides. So they're all the way through on this side. And then let's grab this little black handle. I'm sorry, this little black holder here. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get the one that looks like this. It's got a little nub here to catch onto this little elastic. So we're gonna stick all 3 of these in, making sure that they all go all the way into the white plastic. So that one's in. And then the middle one is in, the top one is in. So now we're gonna lift this, pull our fabric up, okay? And once our fabric is pulled up, we're gonna put the elastic over this black tab, and we got one side done, all right? Now let's do the other side. We're gonna grab our black plastic thing. Make sure we get one in. Sorry about that. Here we go. We're gonna get one in all the way down to the plastic, two in all the way down to the plastic, and three in all the way down to the plastic. Okay, and our last step, let's get this elastic right on this black thing. Here we go, come on. It's a little tough. We can do it. All right. There we go, we got it. There we go, okay. We're gonna flip this down. And now what are we gonna do? Let us stick this. We got two clips here, one here and one here. And you can see there's a certain area on the side with a little bolt head sticking out. And if you look inside of these little plastic holders, there's a little cutout for these little bolt heads. So we'll just clip this right on. There goes one, and there goes two. Perfect. And now we can lift this. And one of the last steps is, let's see, I'm gonna flip this whole entire stroller.
I can bring that camera.
Oh, actually, let's just take this out. One of the last things we want to do is get this fabric over this back side of this and under this white plastic handle, I guess. Okay.
Almost there, yes.
Got it?
Got it.
Fantastic. Cool. All right, let's stick this back in here. Awesome. Let's lift, and if you notice here, put this down, and then there's actually a zipper right there that we can open. And we can put this all the way down, and your baby can be completely out of sight. And you can use these white handles to angle this. Oh, no. What is it? Oh, sorry. You can use this. You can use a white handle in the back to angle this up or down. Now, the funny thing is, you probably want your baby actually facing towards you. So let's stick the baby in towards us.
For the sake of the video, we did it the other way, but
And now we had pre-built another canopy.
and don't forget the carry handle.
Oh yeah, let's stick that carry handle.
So the carry handle goes in the handle.
Carry handle goes right here.
These will snap into place. Make sure it snaps. There we go. So if you want to take out the whole bassinet, you can do so by pushing down on these two weights. Right?
Yep.
I'm not going to do it because I can't really carry it. So
Lift
we'll
it
leave
up to just give it a click.
There we go.
Nice, drop it.
So that's unlocked, and then I'll put it back.
There we go. And then have our second bassinet here.
Wow.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh. Let me see.
That is a lot of bassinet.
Hold on. I think we forgot to expand it just a little bit more because
Really? think we're
these are really tight. I don't think they're supposed to be that tight, right?
So, a little snug.
Wow.
A little snug in here for the babies, but we got it. All right. So this one, oh my goodness, what a workout. Let's zip this one up. Now, let's show you what else we got with our bundle. Flip this up. Done. Bravo. Now that we've learned how to put the entire stroller together with the bassinets, let's show you how to put the car seats on. Okay? We're gonna press these white buttons on the sides. We're gonna click, and we're gonna lift each bassinet out. We got one out. Now let's get the other one out. We got the other one out. So now, what you do is, you get the twin travel system adapter, and you stick it on just like so. And now what you can do is grab the Nuna turtle air shield, stick it right on there. Let me do this side first. Okay, come on.
It's a little difficult since it's on the table.
There we
There
go.
we go. Just
Come on. There we go. There's one. And there is two. So now you've learned how to put the Bugaboo Donkey 5 twin travel system bundle together, start to finish. Bassinets, how to put the bassinet together, and then how to put the car seats on there. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to making another video. Leave any comments or questions on the Bugaboo Donkey 5, and we'll be sure to answer you. Until next time.
bye.